Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. So today I hired a air conditioned cleaning crew. So I'll just tell you a little bit about it. This is the company that I hired off of Facebook Marketplace. I actually made a video like a year and a half ago when we were down at the farm, and this is the same company that I hired, and they came down at the farm and they cleaned a window unit. Well, now we have, these large units. This is April. We moved in December. So this isn't April, this is March. So about 4 months. But the problem is when we got all this topsoil put down, it was real sandy and real dusty. And we had like a couple weeks of really windy weather. And it was just blowing freaking dust everywhere. Well, you can see how dirty that is. So I decided to go ahead and get these units cleaned. So we'll see how they do. Also, I had my contractor's crew came this morning and they fixed the cracks. That's actually when I noticed the Aircon. You can see they fixed that crack that was in that wall. Can't even see it anymore. Oh yeah, you can see right there where they put the putty, and they kind of cut the paint out of the crack, widened the crack a little bit, filled it with putty, which is a concrete crack putty, and then repainted it. Holy cow. Today is 97 degrees. Hey, for you guys waiting on this episode for the part 2 of the cost of living, I'm probably going to film it tomorrow. The reason I haven't filmed it, I've actually been waiting for my electric bill. I thought the bill was coming at the beginning of the week, so I was going to film that, but I wanted to wait until I got all of our bills so that I could give you guys an accurate, true cost of living in the province of the Philippines. If you haven't seen part 1, check out part 1. That's where I go to the grocery store and show you all the different prices of the groceries. But you wait. When you come to the Philippines, you're gonna see it is freaking hot. All right, so these guys are doing this, so give them a few minutes and I'll film the process here. He's filling the bucket with water. They got two Inco pressure washers, it looks like. So we'll see exactly what they're gonna do. I think they're gonna take these apart. So it is kind of late in the day. It's 2 o'clock. They were supposed to come this morning. No, they were actually supposed to come tomorrow morning, and they asked if they could come early, and I said, well, it's kind of late in the day, don't you think? He said, oh, no, sir, we'll get it done. I said, well, if you think you can get it done, I don't want you rushing. I don't want you to hurry. So let's see how that looks inside there. That's the evaporator, right? Is that the evaporator? So we're gonna take that all apart. There's the fan. So it don't look too bad on that back side. I mean, like I said, these are only not too old, but that side piece is really dirty. But I know the filters on the inside need cleaned anyways, so we'll get it all done. Guys are coming up in the world. They got shirts this time. New shirts. So 2 pressure washers, 2 guys cleaning 2 units at the same time. Oh wow, look how dirty that is. Look at the dirt. Yeah, that was definitely dirty. Look at that. Now that I know how to do it, next time maybe I'll just do it myself. Save me 1,200 pesos per unit. Yeah, get all that cleaned out. Get out of that one. All right, well, let's see what it looks like on the inside. You guys think I'm joking about the heat. Look, 97. It was so hot, my phone overheated, shut off. I was just getting ready to film something, so I had to throw my phone in the freezer because, you know, it gets really hot filming in 4K. But I do it for you guys. I also wanted to show you this. So, I had them repaint around my front door while they were here with that cocoa brown, because I didn't like that fake wood grain, and it was actually chipping off in a couple spots from when I put the tape on there. When I don't know if you guys watched that a long time ago, before they put that window, they just left it open, and I had to tape some foam. Well, the tape stuck to the paint, and it ripped off the paint around that window. So I think that looks a lot nicer. It's just dark. And this is that screen door that we got. I love this screen door. Look at that. Accordion. So easy to install. All right, I'll let my phone cool off a little more, and then we'll check on them. Here's the big one. You can see the filters right there. Pretty dusty. I don't know about the, what is that, the evaporator? Where's the evaporator on the outside? It's a condenser and evaporator, and I can't remember which is which. Take that apart, and we'll see what it looks like on the inside. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how she looks. How's that look? I can't see. How bad? Is it dirty? Can't tell. Looks pretty dusty. I'm not sure how they're gonna clean that. Brought in a bucket. Washing the outside. So we'll see. It's not too bad, really. The filters were kind of dirty, but all right, we'll see. All right, so he'll take that out. Clean that stuff. Let's take a look here. This is the big unit. I see some dust right there. Not too bad, really. But like I said, these are only 4 months old. Really just had a problem with that dust. dust storms. So we're getting 3 units done today. So it looks like he's got a air conditioning cleaning bag, so he can hose that out. I should move my wife's curtains. Yeah, I do that. Look at that. So that's their drainage system, so they can clean the inside and it'll go right into a bucket. I did take down the curtains just in case, because Christine will kill me. So after they hose it out, then they're gonna blow it out. So they're just drying it. All right, so I got this one done. It is cooling. Oh yeah, yeah. And then we got that one done. And we're working on the last one.
Hello, I am your smart voice. Please refer to the manual on how to use the voice function is enabled.
These are the TCL Vox, and I hate that voice control. I don't use it at all, and it constantly thinks you're talking to it. I'm not talking to you. Let's check on these guys. And this is the last one. This one actually wasn't bad. We only used it a couple times. Don't use this one quite often. It does have some dirt in there. All right, guys, there you go. We got everything done. It is nice and cool in here. I can feel a little bit of a difference. The master bedroom and the living room were extremely dirty. I did have them clean the spare room because my father's coming next month. Well, beginning of May. I keep thinking it's April. So I want to make sure everything's nice and clean for him. And it really wasn't dirty. We just don't use it. So, and also the fourth air condition, which is a window unit. I didn't get it cleaned because again, we just don't use it. So the two that we use every day, I definitely wanted to get cleaned. So there you go, guys. That was the company. There is the company. And it was 1,200 pesos per unit. I think it was a little higher because of the cost of fuel. So all these companies are actually charging more for the cost of fuel. You know, I mean, they got to get here, and probably takes a gallon of gas in that old van, so $6 for the fuel. So, all right, guys. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.